In front of me is NOKIA X30, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this NOKIA device. First of all, you need to find Clock app. When you find it, click on it. Then select Alarm section at the bottom left corner and tap on this plus icon in order to add your own. Then set up an hour. When you're ready, save it by choosing OK. Then click on Add Label. Label your alarm however you want to if you want to, and save your label by tapping on OK in the pop-up. Following that, choose days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. Click on Pause Alarm and adjust it if you wish to. Then select OK, or if you change your mind, tap on Cancel. After that, you can switch on or off vibrations and add or remove your alarm from Google Assistant routine by tapping on this little icon next to it. Finally, click on this bell one, choose Add New, and pick music from your smartphone by tapping on the song and going back. You can also just select one of those and go back as well. As you can see, after that, my alarm was successfully added. You can switch it off completely by tapping on this switcher and turn it back on the same way. In order to delete it, select Delete icon at the bottom left corner. In order to adjust more alarm settings though, click on those three dots at the top right corner, choose Settings and manage all of them however you wish to, like snooze. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!